This video tutorial shows you how to assign an external link to a menu button. I'll show you how to assign an external link, for example www.yahoo.com, to a menu button. I have opened the FLA file located in the Sources Flash folder. I'm using Adobe Flash CS3 for editing, but there are no essential differences in previous or later versions of Flash. Please move the red timeline slider to see the animation. Hold down Alt and click here to hide all your unnecessary layers. These are our menu buttons. Select the button you need and press F9 to open the Actions panel. Delete this code and type this one. You can type your URL instead of www.yahoo.com. This code is responsible for opening the website in a new browser tab. If you want www.yahoo.com to open in the same tab where your current website is, just delete this code. I should hide some layers to access the text. Hold down Ctrl and press Enter to see the result. That's it. Our menu button goes to the external URL. This is the end of that tutorial. Now you know how to assign an external link to a menu button. Thank you for watching our video tutorial. Be sure to let us know if you have any questions. Good luck!